In the heartland of North Dakota, a chilling specter arose on that fateful day. North Dakota's deadliest disaster, the Schoolhouse blizzard of 1888. On January 12, 1888, a merciless winter storm unexpectedly and with devastating swiftness descended upon the Great Plains, changing lives forever. As the clock struck 3:30 p.m., a dark and ominous wall charged across the northwest like a furious thunderstorm. What followed was the severest snowstorm humanity had ever witnessed, with a hurricane-like wind and blinding snowfall. Reports described the day as midnight at noon, with temperatures plummeting to unthinkable depths. The death toll reached 235, making it the world's 10th deadliest winter storm.